Hello my alien students, welcome back. So this will be, let's say, part 2 of the homework, isn't it? We said it was question number 8 of the alien homework, isn't it? So what we do is we were busy drawing this house, isn't it? What we will do now, we just mirror this. Okay, we selected the object, use any 2 points. Do you want to erase the source? No. And you see this here, isn't it? So this is good, and okay, I thought this was not there. Okay, anyway, my bad. Okay, same story. Okay, there's a saying, haste makes waste. I promised her that I will finish the drawing today, so I'd like to keep my promise up. No excuses, isn't it? When John, no excuses. Okay, this is done. This is done. We need to do this. We need to do this. So I think if I move this here, I think I have that story done. And if I move this door, I have another story done, isn't it? What do you think? Making block would be good. I think I will. The thing is, I have not taught you block. So I think let's do it at this stage. This much. We will revisit this drawing again once we do blocks. Okay, so what was the story was I have to make how does he enter this room and how does he enter this room. Okay, select this, say copy, say you will be stuck here, and isn't it? Actually, to be honest, when I saw this drawing, let me finish the door and I'll tell you the joke in this drawing. Okay, there is one small joke in this drawing. I think you did notice it. If you didn't notice, I will explain it to you. Okay, so we finish this, we have to do this, isn't it? Okay, we said copy, we can say this point, and I said you will be here. From where did I select? I think in the corner. Okay, let me finish the doors and then you will see it. Okay, so sorry, trim, tell him thank you for coming, isn't it? Thank you for coming, thank you for coming, thank you for coming, isn't it? Similarly, thank you for coming. I'm just trimming. Okay, now what we will do, we will make this arc. Click this arc command. Okay, AutoCAD likes to go anti-clockwise. Select this point, done. Similarly, I like playing arc. Okay, so I like to do the arc command. I had done copy, but I think I love to do it, so I hope this is clear. Remember, AutoCAD likes to go what? Anti-clockwise. Haste makes waste, John. Do it slowly. Okay. Done. I tell you what happened in this. Oops, what did I do? Nothing. If you noticed, we said this is the center, no? We said anti-clockwise. Okay, I hope we have done the drawing. Now only we have to do the center of the door, isn't it? Which one? This one. Okay, actually it is 2 doors which are mirrored, isn't it? So at what point are they at? We can say center, isn't it? So what I will tell him, one of you can come with me. Okay, the door is from here, isn't it? So you will tell him just come here. Okay, select the object, can we say move? Yeah, we can. You will be here. Okay, I think my F8 is playing games today. F8 is auto. Okay, keep him here. Select the object, rotate. Isn't it? Click reference, tell him you will be here. This is reference, and you would say something like, can we tell him this is the corner? No. If I was smart, I would just do 90 degree, no? Isn't it? Yeah. Then what to do? Select the objects, move him, tell him you will be here. Isn't it? Mirror, tell him job is done. Okay, in the next class, my class starts in 2 minutes now. So in the next class, what I will do is I will do the remaining part. Okay, I'm trying to get one object snap. Oops. Okay, in the next class I will do the other part of the drawing. I hope everybody enjoyed this class. What happened? I did not select the wall. Okay, I hope everybody enjoyed this class. Sorry, did not explain too much here. Okay, you didn't understand, let me know. Okay, take care, and we shall make this opened. Isn't it? Is there any other alien method to extend this? Call extend, isn't it? Sorry. Then what do you call him? Friend, trim. Tell him thank you for coming, isn't it? Okay. See, now what is the, I think now you understand what's the problem with this drawing. Okay. See, here there is no door, there is doors. Okay, very good. Here the problem is, let's suppose this guy is coming out and this guy opens the door. Now you cannot come out, isn't it? You will have to come, isn't it? That's why you say John become thin for some time. Anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed this class. Sorry, I had to stop this class for my class is starting in 1 minute now. Take care, everybody. Enjoy this class. Let's keep moving forward. Looking forward to see you in the next class. Yalla, bye.